Good day, viewers. You are welcome to today's tutorial class. Today we'll be looking at another topic, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is a general and a known topic. So we'll be looking at one or two examples under quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is an equation that has its highest degree to be 2. Okay, it means the highest exponential is 2. If we have an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, okay, this equation of this form is called a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation, the highest power here is s. The next one here has 1 as its power. Okay, so let us look at one or two examples under this. So example 1, we have x squared minus 25 equal to 0. Remember the last time we had in our last class, we had factorization of quadratic expression. Factorization of quadratic expression. When we had something of this nature, but it was an expression. But today, we are equating this expression into 0. That means we are going to be looking at the values of x. Okay? So this is 25, which is a perfect square. So this 25 can be rewritten as 5 squared. So we will write this one to be x squared minus 5 squared equals 0. So having this and relating this to our formula a squared minus b squared, where we have a plus b and a minus b. So we now have a plus 5, x plus 5, sorry, and then x minus 5 equal to 0. So x plus 5, x minus 5 equal to 0. So we are going to equate each of these to 0. It means x plus 5 equal to 0, or x minus 5 equal to what? Equal to 0. Collecting like term, taking positive 5 to this place, we have x now is equal to 0 minus 5, because if positive 5 crosses this equality sign, it becomes negative 5. So, or x now, taking negative 5 to the other side, becomes equal to what? 0 plus 5. So therefore, x now is either equal to negative 5 or x is equal to 5. So these are the two solutions to the values of x. So if you put negative 5 into this place, this x, we now have minus 5 squared. Since it is minus 5 squared, it means minus 5 times minus 5. The negative will cancel each other, then we have 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. 25 minus 25 gives what? 0. Then, using this as well, if you put it here, that is 5 squared. 5 times 5. What I mean is this, minus 5 squared. Inside of this x squared, we have this, then minus 25. Okay? We are just testing if the values of x, if we get the correct answer. So minus times minus will give us plus. Since this one is having power, so that means 25 minus 25 equal to what? 0. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Same goes to 5. If you put 5 here, 5 squared minus 25 is what? Equal to 0, because 5 squared is equal to what? 5 times 5. So x is either equal to negative 5 or x is equal to what? 5. Example number 2. Example number 2. 4x squared minus 16 equal to 0. 4x squared minus 16 equal to 0. Looking at this equation, we are still going to adopt the method of difference of 2 squared. Okay, this 4, we are going to write it as 2 squared. Then we have x squared. Minus 16 will be written as 4 squared. Okay, because 4 times 4 is 16, and 2 times 2 is 4, equal to what? 0. So the next is to bring these two together. since both of them have power, so we have 2x all squared minus 4 squared equal to 0. So we have a squared being our formula and minus b squared. So we are going to add and subtract. So we have 2x plus 4 and then 2x minus 4 all equal to 0. So from here, we equate each of them to 0. It's either 2x plus 4 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Taking this to the other side, we have 2x is equal to negative 4. Forget about the 0. Or 2x is equal to 4. Dividing both sides by 2. Okay? This will go. So we have 2x all over 2 is equal to negative 4 all over 2. Or 2x all over 2 equals 4 all over 2. So these two, we clear out this. 2 into 2 gives us 1. 2 here, we have 2. So here, they cancel each other as well. Then here is what? 2. So we have, is either x is equal to what? Negative 2, or x is equal to what? 2. So these two are the values of x. Is either x is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to what? 2. Either x is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to 2. So if we substitute the value of value of x into the question, okay, remember the negative will go because it has power. That is 4 times 4 will give us 2. So, 2 times 2, sorry, will give us 4. So, 4 times 4 will give us what? 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Same goes to this. If you put 2 here, that is 2 squared, which is 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 16 is also equal to 0. So, x equals negative 2 or x equals... All right. Having ended the class for today, I have two exercises for us. Okay. The first exercise is x squared minus 36 equal to 0. The second one is 4y squared equal to 100. 4y squared equal to 100. I want to see how you are going to restructure this, rearrange this, then solve it. And let's see, drop your answer in the comment section. Bye for now.